Next chapter, financial statements of not-for-profit organizations. Enterprises are profit-earning entities since their main objective is to earn profit. In contrast to these entities, there are also not-for-profit organizations whose main objective is not to earn profit but to serve the society and its members. Not-for-profit organizations are also known as non-profit organizations. Its main objective is to provide service to the society. Examples of such organizations are public hospitals, literary societies, societies for promotion of sports, arts and culture, social welfare organizations, clubs, etc. Funds are required for the activities of a not-for-profit organization are normally contributed by its members, trustees, etc. as donations, membership fees and subscriptions. Financial statements of a not-for-profit organization. Receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet are the financial statements of a not-for-profit organization. Not-for-profit organization prepares annual or final accounts showing the financial transactions of the organization for its members and to comply with statutory requirements. Receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet are the financial statements of a not-for-profit organization. First, receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account is a summary of cash receipts and payments during an accounting period. Receipts and payments being shown under appropriate heads of accounts. It begins with opening cash and bank balances and ends with closing cash and bank balances of the period. Receipts are shown in the debit side whereas payments are shown in the credit side of the account. Receipt and payment account is a summary of cash book. It begins with opening balance of cash and bank balances and ends with closing balance of cash and bank balances. Its debit side records cash receipts and credit side records cash payments. Receipts and payments of every nature are shown in this account, that is, whether it is capital or revenue in nature or whether it relates to the current year or previous year or next year. This is the format of a receipt and payment account. Its first half is the receipt side, which shows all cash receipts, and second half is the payment side, which shows all cash payments of the not-for-profit organization. It starts with opening balance of cash, balance brought down, cash in hand, cash at bank. That is the opening balance of cash and bank balance. Then subscription. That is the major income of a not-for-profit organization, subscription. Then donation, general donation, donations received, specific donations received, grant received, entrance fees or admission fees received, general grants received, sale of newspaper, sale of old or used sports materials, interest received on investment, dividends received, rent received, interest received, miscellaneous receipts, life membership fees, subscription for specific purpose, legacies, general legacies and specific legacies, endowment funds, sale of fixed assets, receipt on account of specific funds, that is match funds, prize funds, etc. All are receipts of a not-for-profit organization. Receipts are recorded on the debit side of not-for-profit, debit side of receipt and payment account. Then payment side balance brought down, that is the overdraft. In case of overdraft, Then salaries, payment of salary, payment of rent, payment of postage expenses, payment of advertisement expenses, payment made for newspapers, magazines, repairs, audit fees, maintenance expenses, insurance, honorarium, municipal tax, prices distributed, office expenses, expenses on show, miscellaneous payments, purchase of fixed assets, sports equipments, purchase of sports equipments, investments made by the organization or payment made for investments or purchase of investments, purchase of books, repayment of loan, purchase of building or construction of building, all are payments. These payments are credited to the receipt and payment account. Receipts are debited and payments are credited. Then it ends with closing balance of cash in hand and cash at bank.